Hi everybody, I'm going to make a quick, easy recipe for jerk chicken wings. Very simple, and I would use the bottle, this one, to, instead of you starting from scratch, just use this. This is a little cheat, when I call it cheat sheet, this is what we're gonna use. So basically, this is chicken wings soaking in lemon water, and I am gonna rinse it and pat it dry, and then we will need the chicken seasoning, ketchup, of course, soy sauce, some adobo, which is all seasoning, ginger and garlic paste, Grace Jamaican Jack season, and we also, which is not here, I'm going to put some onion powder and garlic powder. So, but these are just the things we need, and of course a little bit of oil, and I'll show you that in the video. And you bake it, and there you have it. It's really simple, and you could serve this with white rice. You could eat it by itself with ketchup, or whatever else you want to do with it. It's jerk chicken wings. Really quick, really easy, and delicious. Stay tuned. So basically we have the chicken wings. It has been dry, pat dry. I showed you earlier, I rinsed it out in lemon pepper. So we are going to start putting the ingredients in there. Sorry, my camera is out of focus today. So you put some ketchup in there. So we have ketchup in here. Put a little bit of seasoning. This is the chicken seasoning, by the way. Like a teaspoon of it. The Goya. Soy sauce. Some ginger and garlic. Some onion powder. Just a little bit of everything, because remember we already have the this has already been seasoned, but I always like a little kick to it. And last but not least, garlic pepper. So you open this up. I can get it open. Dump it in there. And then massage everything in. And you leave this in the refrigerator for like an hour. Some people do overnight. I use the whole, this is like 2 or 3 pounds of chicken wings. So, because I like the extra sauce. Okay, look at that. Very easy. And this is vegetable oil. I just put like a cupful, just like that. Okay. that's it. So leave this in the refrigerator for like an hour. Put it in, I put it in disposable pan. Let me show you what pan I'm gonna use. So I'm gonna lay everything in here and put it in the oven, 350 for like 45 minutes to an hour, turning it, and I'll show you that. So, but right now we're gonna put this in the refrigerator.